Some people want to know if we need a prerequisite or requirement to join this Nature Heart Contemplation class. I would say there is no requirement. My main concentration is to bring people into the contemplation. So we will have about 30% of the class is in practice, and 70% we learn, we discuss, we go deeper into the contemplation. Therefore, if you don't know the practice, doesn't matter. You can still sign into Coach Lee's class. Many of us, we want to know in this class what's our main purpose and who are our mainly targeted audience. How do I conduct this class? This is the first time I use this form to teach, or this style to teach Nature Heart Contemplation. There is a sharing, there is a class. We can dive in to the contemplations. And contemplation, usually we read by ourselves, or we have a small group, 2 to 3 friends, we may share, discuss, but never ever we can link these two. How the physical movement, boat rowing in the stream of air, really connecting with newborn baby. Maybe every time when you join my class, there will be always some new beginners. And we have to teach all the time how you stand and counting one. We spend a lot of time in repeating that. But we have a lot of experienced people. We can directly go into the point. Let's practice few times and then sit down. We read the contemplation. I start to give people example and everybody add on. How is this contemplation working in the depth of our heart? How this contemplation is working in daily life. This movement overlooking the ocean. Look at this movement. The contemplation talk about ocean. Do we have a picture? Do we have the view of the ocean already? It can be a smooth ocean, still has a mini wave. It can be a dramatic wind, large wave. What's going on in our personal life? Small wave or the big wave? This movement range is big, but it can be peaceful. It can be a rough sea. In between, to feel the change, to feel you have a power, you can go with life. When it goes up, you can enjoy. That we talk about in this session. I hope you like that.